Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'm going to show you tricks and ways to get unlimited arbitrage opportunities on Paxful and how exactly you're going to dominate P2P markets. So basically Paxful is peer-to-peer market which allow cryptocurrency buyers and sellers to trade directly. So Paxful has almost 350 different payment methods, and the most common one is bank transfer. But then a problem comes if you have a customer in a foreign country and they want to buy Bitcoin from you using bank transfer, but then you cannot get paid because you don't have bank accounts in that foreign country, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can get paid using bank transfer everywhere in the world and dominate peer-to-peer markets and get more arbitrage opportunities. So without being said, let's jump right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
So once you log in, you're gonna see a dashboard look like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click buy right here, and it's gonna show me different offers within South Africa, right? So you can see that there's a bunch of offers right here. This is the price, and many people are selling Bitcoin using bank transfer and different kinds of payment methods, right? So right here you can choose cryptocurrency that you want to buy or sell, right? And right here you can choose a payment method. So you can see that there's a bunch of payment methods right here, and the most common one is bank transfer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click bank transfer right here, and right here you choose the currencies. So the reason why I'm saying that arbitrage is big deal right now is because many people don't have access to Bitcoin at the moment because of restrictions in their countries, right? So let's say I want to sell my Bitcoin to someone who is living in Nigeria. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click sell right here, and it's gonna load up, and I'm gonna go ahead and click bank transfer and choose the country where exactly I want to sell it. So let's say I want to sell my Bitcoins to someone living in Nigeria, because we all know that cryptocurrency is not allowed in Nigeria, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and change offer location right here and click and type Nigeria and click find offers. And most important, you should always turn on this feature, right? Paxful verified offers only, and click find offers. And you can see that the first person who is willing to buy Bitcoin right now is willing to pay via bank transfer, right? And the followed person again, so etc. going downwards, right? So these countries don't have enough supply for Bitcoin, right? So if you go there and start selling Bitcoins, you'd get more arbitrage opportunities, right? So let's say I want to sell this Bitcoin to this guy. I'm just gonna go ahead and click sell, right? And it's gonna load up, and you're gonna see a page like this saying sell Bitcoin with bank transfer, no negotiation, no charges, right? So let's say I want to sell 0.01 Bitcoin, right? And you can see that I will receive this amount in Nigerian cryptocurrency. So here is asking me to add my bank account, and for us to do this we're gonna use a platform called TransferWise, because as you all know I'm living in South Africa right now. I'm not in Nigeria and I don't have an account in Nigeria, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead to Google, gonna go ahead and type TransferWise. So you can use TransferWise because it's a better way to send money across Africa. But then if you're not in Africa, you can use Remitano right here, and you can see a bunch of countries that you can get paid from, right? But in this video we're gonna use TransferWise because it's quick and easy. So if you're using an Android phone, you're gonna go ahead and download the app right here, and if you're using an iPhone, you're gonna go ahead and click right here to download the app. I've already downloaded the app, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in my phone right now. So I'll see you in my phone. Alright, so what you are looking at right here is a dashboard for TransferWise. So if I want to get paid in Nigeria, I'm just gonna go ahead and click the NGN right here, and if I want to get paid, let's say in Kenya, I'm just gonna go ahead and click right here, and you can see that my wallet is gonna change in that certain country. So if you wanna deposit as well, we're just gonna go ahead and click deposit right here, and if you wanna withdraw, we're just gonna go ahead and click withdraw. If you wanna transfer cash within your country, then just gonna go ahead and click transfer right here. And let's say if you wanna exchange it right here from Nigerian NGN to South African ZAR, you're just gonna go ahead, click exchange, then you can exchange, right? It's really simple like that, and it's quick. So if you wanna withdraw, just gonna go ahead and choose your country right here. So I'm in South Africa right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and click ZAR right here and click withdraw, Then it's gonna ask my banking details, so I'm just gonna fill up all this and stuff like that and click withdraw. So in that trade, you wanna get paid in Nigerian naira, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click Nigerian naira right here. So right here you can see that it has given us banking details that we have to use to get paid, right? So just gonna go ahead and copy these banking details and then apply them right here and receive our cash. So basically you can do this everywhere in the world and you can get paid everywhere in the world and do this on daily basis, right? So right now, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin in South Africa, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how exactly it's done if you want to buy Bitcoin within your own country. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my phone right now because I've already downloaded Paxful app. So right now I'm on my phone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my password right there. Then after that, you're gonna see a dashboard like this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click buy. Then right there is asking me to put a payment method, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click bank transfer. And I'm also gonna have to choose my currency, so I'm in South Africa right now. I'm just gonna click ZAR, and right there I have to put the amount that I want to pay for, and make sure that your location is on your current location. So mine is on South Africa, and I'm gonna go ahead and click search for offers. So right here you can see that there's a bunch of sellers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one and click buy. And right here it's showing me how much I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click buy and click I understand. And right here you can see that I'm provided with banking details of a seller, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy these banking details and make payments to this seller. And after that, I'm gonna message him that I've made a payment. Right here you can see that a seller has confirmed. Right there you can see that I've received my bitcoins and a trade is successfully done. So all the links to these exchanges gonna be in the description below, and you can go ahead and create an account using my link and you're gonna get discount in trading fees and bonuses. So far, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel. So if you're new to this channel, well, this is Heavy Crypto. So what we do is we try to improve our financial life through crypto and get the best out of crypto. So this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take